Once upon a time, there was a good knight.
Hi, guys!
Ooh, cool. The good knight was strong and brave and helped everyone in the kingdom.
Aw, the good knight helped that cat. He's nice.
And he's funny, too. Look!
But then one day, a bad night came along. Uh-oh! He locked the good knight in the tallest tower of the castle.
And the only way to open the tower is with the musical tower key. But the bad knight threw the tower key away, so the good knight would be locked inside forever.
Timon, are you crying? I'm fine. I just have something in my eye. Here, blow. Here, Pumba. Gee, thanks. Okay, I'm better.
Oh, no! The good knight needs help.
He's locked in that tower.